Because you can do it too. All right, we get ready to plate now. So now it's my turn to bring it to the plate for you. So basically what I want to do now, I'm just going to take my rice. I like it this. You know, yeah, I'm a different chef, you guys.
That's why it's called star plates right here. This is our star, and he's plating it, all right?
So I want to take this like this, guys. Just like this.
Looks like you're making like little rice balls almost.
Oh yeah, I want to take it. Just look at me now. Y'all follow me.
And watch.
Because you can do it too. When you're at home, I want you to just do it just like this. That's what we do. We make our plates look good. Everyday meal that you make, you can just do your plating. And people think you're at a 5-star.